Ayun na nga, it's 10 a.m. here sa Maryland and it's Saturday, and like I made this reel this morning making this breakfast, and while I'm making this breakfast today, habang nakahiga pa si D, nakakita ng Jack Russell na 10 weeks old. And guess what? Kukunin namin. So we will have a new dog, and we're going to take it at 11, and it's 10 now. We have 1 hour, and this is the fit that I have. I have my yellow hoodie. Yeah, makulay tayo today. And my Disneyland cap with my colorful Puma shoes. Ang dumi. Kasi hindi uso dito magdulaban ng shoes. So let's go! Hey baby! Hey Tana boy! Hey Lexi girl! You ready to have younger brother? Brother or sister, what do you want? Tell me, hey! Or you don't want it because it will divide the attention. You spoiled bitch! Ayan, so ayan na nga, we're on our way para kunin ang Jack Russell puppy. And yeah, using the old car. Baka daw magdumi-dumi ang tuta. Kaya ito ang ginamit. And I don't know kung girl or boy ang aming kukunin. What would be the name? It's a boy?
Ross.
What? Ayan, malapit na kami sa kukunan ng puppy, and it says like only 5 minutes, pero nag-stop by kami dito sa Shell para magpagas kasi this car is ginagamit lang ni D pag pupunta ng part-time. So from bahay to the college. And we always use the Toyota Camry, but since we don't know the puppy, nakukunin namin whether it's trained or not. We use this old car para if ever magdumi ang magdumi ang puppy is okay lang, we would clean it easily dito. Ayan, nakuha na namin ang puppy. Actually, 5 sila, 3 babae and 2, oh my god, 2 lalaki. And they brought 2 first, the 2 boys, and I saw the one with spot. Siya yung nakakuha agad ng attention ko kasi lumapit siya sa akin. But when Derek says they wanna see the 2 girls, the 3 girls, they bring them out all time, and this girl, she's sweet like my lucky girl, and parang squirrel. Likod ko umaakyat. Yeah. So this is summer. Kahit pinanganak siya ay winter, she will be summer. Oh my god. Yeah. Stay. No. No. Shh. No. No, you stay. Summer? Stop. This would be your little sister, Bebe. Little sister. No. Lexi. This is your sister. Sister. You don't want? This will be your sister. Okay? Sister, this is your sister. Huh? No, 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 no. No. This will be your sister, you bitch.
Yeah, that's too crowded.
Okay? Lexi.
Oh, we're only out in the house. Ooh, it is a mess.
Which house?
That house where I'm looking at the project, it's stuff all over the place.
This will be your sister, Lexi, okay? Hmm? Huh? You love your bed, Summer? Hello, so it's Sunday. It's a week long after we got Summer
In 1 mile, turn right onto Darcy Road.
from the owner, and we are on the way now sa vet para palagyan siya ng kanyang microchip para if ever na siya ay makawala or maglayas, madali siya hanapin, and tuturukan din siya ng kanyang mga necessary vaccination like distemper, parvo. We're not sure about the rabies yet, but yeah. Ayan, andito na kami sa SPCA, pero ang haba ng pila. Sabi ni Derek, that's what you get for being cheap. Ayan, dito kasi is $15 lang yung vaccination, and then $30 yung microchipping. And yeah, it will start at 11 o'clock. And I told Derek na we should be here at 10 para at least we might be first in the line. Pero when we reach here, parang there are more than 20-30s already na nasa pila. So, malamig. Kaya what we are doing now is we're taking turns na pumila. Derek is there now and we are here sa sasakyan para ma-warm, and then later pag malapit na, it's either tatawagan niya ako or magpapalit kami. Sabi ko naman okay lang na pumila kami and makatipid kahit konti kasi having a new dog is napakamahal sobra. Kasi normally ang annual check-up nila is si Lexi at si Tanner ay around $300-400. And for what you call this, for summer wala pa siyang record, so everything would be expensive gawa ng kailangan siyang i-check for blood, for parasites, for worms, like when you do the baby screening, so she needs to be screened. But for now we'll get her microchip and then parvo kasi that's the thing na kailangan niya, kasi we need to bring her out pag nagpupupo at nagwiwiwi. We don't want her to catch parvo, and ang schedule kasi na available sa vet nila Tanner at nila Lexi for her is parang March 23 pa. Yun ang earliest. Kaya we came here para sa mga first vaccination at kung anong pwedeng gawin sa kanya dito, kasi she is 9 weeks old pa lang, ipapagawa na namin. So we'll save a little. Ang dami pang dumadating na pumipila. Oh. Look at that. Rottweiler. Ang layo ng sasakyan namin sa pila, pero umabot na dito yung pila. That means ang dami talaga. I think this is more than 50. Ayun o, meron siyang French Bulldog.
This technology is awesome.
Ayan. Tapos na kami magpa-microchip at this time. Pero hindi ko na video kasi baka bawal gawa ng doktor. Pero hindi nasaktan si Summer, hindi umiyak. Baliwala lang. Tinurukan siya sa pigi at saka sa batok yung microchip. Ayan, asa sasakyan na kami at ang batuta na ito, oh, mukhang hindi man lamang nasaktan, malikot pa din. Malikot pa din ang batuta.